Here at BD, we put every patient first in the fight against COVID-19, just like you do. We designed our kit for rapid detection of SARS-CoV-2 to be as easy, fast, and painless as possible, so that your patient can get back to normal sooner. Check your surface is sanitized and you have clean gloves on. Remove the test strip from its package and place it on your flat surface. Take the tube, remove the yellow cap, and place it in the holder. Gently remove the swab from its package, being careful not to touch the fabric tip. Insert the swab into your patient's nostril, around 2.5 centimeters or until you feel resistance. While pressing the swab against the inside of the nostril, turn it for 5 full rotations, then repeat this step on the other nostril. Now it's time to process the swab sample. Pick up the tube and dip the tip of the swab in. Gently move it up and down in the liquid for 15 seconds. While removing the swab, pinch slightly on the outside of the tube to remove excess liquid. After this, dispose of the swab securely. Take the white cap and push it on until it clicks into place. Now, hover the tube over the test strip and carefully squeeze 3 drops into the well. Once that's done, set a timer for 15 minutes. Your patient's uncertainty is nearly over. If your patient has a positive result, you will see 2 lines. One next to C, control, and one next to T, test. Even faint lines show the test is positive. It is very likely that your patient is currently infected with SARS-CoV-2. If your patient has a negative result, you will see 1 line next to C. It is likely that they are not infectious. However, a negative test result is not a guarantee that they don't have SARS-CoV-2. Any other result should be considered invalid and the test repeated. If their result is positive, you can discuss their isolation strategy and contact tracing. If the result is negative, you can send your patient on their way. But either way, you can send them home with confidence.